Hey guys, it's Melissa. In this video, we are going to get the EufyMake Studio software set up and create your Eufy registration and login so that you can use the software. Now, the software is different than the app. You can use one or the other. I would recommend setting up both. So at this point, we have already set up the machine. We have already set up the app. I have videos on both of those things. And at this point, we are going to install the software, which I will mention can be done prior to when you have the machine or when you have the machine set up. So I actually did the software installation before I got the machine out of the box and everything. So this is what I'm going to show you. Okay, so what you want to do, I have a link in the description below for where to download EufyMake. This is for both Mac and PC. You're going to download that. The installation process in order to install any software, slightly different on either of those types of computers. Regardless, go ahead and download and then launch the software. Okay, so once you launch the software, if you are a brand new user, what it is going to do is first ask you which machine are you going to use. Are you going to use the UV Print Studio or the 3D Print software? So with or the 3D, yeah, the 3D Print Studio. So with the Eufy E1, the UV printer, you're obviously going to use the UV printer. So start that, so select that. And then what you are going to do from there, if you don't have the machine yet, when you get to this network plugin, just click not now. If you do have the machine set up, you can click install and go from there. It'll prompt it the next time if you haven't done it yet. Okay. All right. So once it sets up, then what you're going to do is you're going to click the login button. When you click the login button, if there is an update, it's going to tell you. Unfortunately, if there is an update, then you're going to have to download that and go through that quick installation process again. All right. So regardless, though, once you get it to the point where you are clicking login and you're getting the login screen, you are going to select either login or login or sign up. If you don't have an account yet, you want to click sign up. Okay. So that's what I did here. Now, I will say that if you already have the app and you have the app installed, you need to use the same login credentials on both the desktop version and as well as the app. So make sure that you're using both. Don't create a whole separate one. Okay. Then you'll end up having things in different accounts. Okay. So once you set that all up, then once you register and you've created that login, then you are actually going to log in. And once you do that, the login button will no longer be there, but it's going to have things that say like new design and publish. Obviously, you're not going to publish yet, but this is just a sign that you have the software set up and installed and you are now ready to go. So once you have the printer set up, the software set up, the app set up, the ink installed, now you are ready for your first print. And so once you get to this point, I am going to toss you over to the video for first print. If you haven't set up your machine yet, I have another video link in the description below. I have a whole YouTube playlist for videos to help you get started with your Eufy, learn how to use it, and I will continue to add more.